Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Instagram feed and notification so you can take control of what you see and what alert you get. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Instagram application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon. Just like that, from here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the three-line icon. From here, scroll below until you find content preferences and then tap onto it. Just like that, tap on reset suggested content. Now inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on next. This clears Instagram's recommendations so your export page and feed start fresh. From here, you can simply unfollow accounts you don't like and interact only with the posts you enjoy so Instagram relaunches your preferences. Now let's reset your notification. Head back to settings. Then tap on notifications. Just like that, inside here, you can go ahead and simply toggle on or off for things like, comment, new followers, DMs, and live videos. If you want to start clean, turn everything off and then simply re-enable only what's important to you. And that's it. You have just reset both your Instagram feed and notification. This way, you'll only see content you care about and stop getting spammy alerts. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.